Understanding flavour profiles. Understanding the intricacies of rum profile can be daunting for many people. The aroma or flavour is sometimes just literally on the tip of your tongue. Rum characteristics. Start by categorizing each rum according to broad flavour groups such as sweet, spicy or fruity. Then use aroma descriptions to help refine your evolution. For example, sweet. Sweetness in rum can come from natural sugars present in molasses or sugarcane juice. Naturally sweet rums, which are aged in oak wood, also get some sweetness from the wood sugars. Spicy. Spicy characteristics can be derived naturally from the aging process in wooden barrels or the addition of spices during production. Spicy notes include cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg. Fruity. Fruity flavours in rum can range from tropical fruit like pineapple and orchid fruits such as apples to darker fruits like raisins. Nuts such as almonds are also associated with fruity flavours. Woody, oaky. Rums that were aged in barrels, especially those that were previously used for aging other alcohol, may develop woody flavours like oak, cedar, and sometimes a hint of smokiness. Rich. Rich rums often have a full-bodied and complex flavour profile. They may include elements of chocolate, coffee, and even tobacco. Richness can come from both aging and blending. Herbal, grassy. Some rums exhibit herbal or grassy notes, especially those made from fresh sugarcane juice. They may have a lighter and more vegetal character with hints of green herbs or fresh sugarcane. You can find out even more about understanding flavour profiles from reading Rum, a tasting course by Global Rum Ambassador Ian Burrell.